Let's dive into our first simple tip, a powerful hand acupressure point called the Hegu Point. This spot has helped many find relief from coughs. It's not widely known, but I find it very effective. Here's how to locate it. On your palm, look at the crease between your index and middle fingers. About an inch or a thumb's width down from that crease, you'll find the spot. Try pressing around with a chopstick or the end of a pen. When you hit the most tender point, that's it. Each hand has one. Once you've found it, press firmly for about 5 seconds, then release for 5 seconds. Repeat a few times. It may be slightly uncomfortable at first, but many notice a quick sense of relief, especially with dry, persistent coughs that even disturb sleep. You can adjust how often you do this based on how you feel. If you try this technique and notice a benefit, let me know in the comments below.